We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them. We fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them, and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. It's been heartbreaking to watch this little mouse slowly fade away. She was found on my mother-in-law's floor yesterday in this position. She seems to have some sort of trouble with her legs. They are spread out and she's able to walk, but not easily. We've fed her, tried to, with a little paintbrush dipped in soy milk. She took a few little sips at one point. She licked my hand, but she doesn't seem to have the strength to do more. We got a little cage for her. Tried to give her some bread with water on it and different things like ground up pumpkin seeds. She was found in the middle of the apartment, just on the floor on a carpet. Almost like to say, somebody please take me, I'm lost. Or maybe she was hoping for her mom to find her. She's just a baby. She can barely open her eyes. We have a humane trap out because we're hoping that her mother will show up and we can put them together, but poor sweetheart. Little angel. Please don't eat animals. Please don't eat them, wear them, or use them for entertainment. They've never done a single thing wrong to you, ever. They're so innocent. Just like the cows that you eat, and the chickens and the pigs. They're just as innocent, even though they're not small like this. They're still fragile, and they deserve love and life. I wish God existed, that God could help this little one. And the millions and billions that are suffering right now on factory farms because people eat them, wear them, and use them. Animals are here on the planet with us, not for us. They shouldn't be bought and sold. To everyone who is vegan, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for pressing the like button. And thank you for drinking your vegan smoothie today. Mine was made with bananas and some spinach, some mango. Everyone can be vegan. It's so easy when you think about the animals. You don't think about yourself. Imagine that you were the victim. Can you do that? Can you try? I can. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you think this channel has value, if you'd like to try to be vegan if you're not yet, just remember that you were born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals, never. You just wanted to love them and protect them, and you were curious about them. I love you, little one. I love you, little precious sweetie. Look at her little paws, little fingers. Thanks to everyone who's been here. When someone is suffering, we should try to avoid going far away when it hurts, but go closer to try to help. To be there at the end. None of us know when it will be our last moments. We can only hope that somebody will be kind to us, be there to show love. Thanks for being here. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, little angel.